not gonna go over uh, like 100 of coins tonight, guys. I will just go over major coins, and I'm gonna mainly show you the longer term picture of this market. So we are gonna talk about the overall trend of this crypto market, mainly Bitcoin and altcoins. And I'm gonna show you what I expect going forward, and especially I'm gonna give you some direction related to your altcoins and meme coins. Okay, guys, we are almost hitting 50K likes up there. So let me start the disclaimer. Please keep tapping the screen, okay? So guys, disclaimer, whatever I say during this TikTok live, whatever I share on my computer screen, all these charts, all these analysis are only for educational purpose, and I do not provide any financial advice. Please do not take any trade or invest in any kind of cryptocurrencies based on my analysis. I could be wrong. I'm sharing my analysis based on my limited knowledge on these markets. So do your own research before investing. So let's go and see what's going on in the crypto world. So this is Bitcoin, guys. This is Bitcoin. If you remember, I gave this level 120,000. BTC hit that level, and then this was my new level for my Discord members, 124,000. Last night it hit my level, 124,000. Now I have multiple levels up there, and I believe you're gonna see BTC moving up from here. It is not gonna come down, okay? I don't see it coming down. I personally see it moving up from here. Okay, that is what I see. So before I go further, let me share this, guys. I always do this. So today is October 5th. Right now it's 7:43 p.m. EST, New York time. Guys, this is my only TikTok ID, Crypto King #1. MN stands for million. So Crypto King 1 million is my only one and only TikTok account. I do not have any other TikTok accounts. There are so many scammers and fake accounts who are using my profile picture and my content. So please be very careful. I do not send you any kind of DMs. I do not trade for anyone. I do not ask you to send me your crypto. I do not ask you to contact me in my WhatsApp. I do not share my WhatsApp number with anyone. If you wanna talk to me, just send me a DM on this TikTok ID, and I can talk to you. I can reply back to you, but I will never start conversation with you with the DM, okay? And this is, I have a similar ID on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, guys, please do so. Please follow me on Instagram as well. And then this is my YouTube channel, The Crypto King Show. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please do that because I always upload TikTok live recordings on YouTube. Plus I share some analysis videos, daily analysis videos on my YouTube channel. So please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, The Crypto King Show. Okay, guys. So please be very careful with these scammers. They use similar user IDs and they use my profile picture. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about that. You can do one thing, you can report them. If you think they are fake accounts, please be very careful, okay, guys? So this is where Bitcoin is right now at 123,558. Remember, guys, BTC was sitting here. Goldie, thank you so much. Once upon a time, a week ago, last week, BTC was sitting at $108,000, okay? And most, I wouldn't say all, but most TikTok crypto influencers and YouTube crypto influencers were saying that BTC is going to going below $100,000. It's going to $92,000. And I told you this could be the bottom, and we may see a spike from here. And that is exactly what you experienced so far. And I'm telling you, from tonight onwards, you're gonna see another spike in BTC. Okay, we're gonna see another spike in BTC. Let's see how high it goes. Okay, but it's not coming down. You're gonna see another spike here, okay? So BTC is looking good. I know your BTC dominance is not looking good. That's why your altcoins are moving down. So if you remember, this is BTC dominance wedge. I was talking to you for so long, but the good thing is, if you see here, there's a lot of accumulation at this level, from 59% to 60% level. Excuse me, guys. So this is BTC dominance, and this is the rising wedge, okay, in a downward trend. In a downward trend, a rising wedge, I think BTC dominance is reaching a top here, and we may see a break towards the downside. Sooner or later, we're gonna see a break like this. And when you see this, guys, in BTC dominance, your altcoins are gonna shoot up, okay? That is what I'm expecting. As you can see, the long-term trend is down. We saw this bear flag, and if you are my regular viewer, you know I was talking about this bear flag, and I told you that I see a downward move, and I took even a measurement from here. I told you this is the target. If it breaks, we're gonna see a downward target here, and it came down to the same level. And now we have another downward move. So this is how you take the target. So once we see a break of this rising wedge, BTC dominance can come down to 54.5. Okay, that is the target where I see BTC dominance coming down to. So it's just a waiting game, guys. I know it's frustrating to wait for so long, but it is what it is. You can't beat the market. You just adopt these markets, okay? Whatever market is giving you, just adopt it. But the trend is down clearly for BTC dominance, and this is a very bearish kind of pattern in a downward move. You're gonna see a break towards the downside and a big drop. And if we go and look at your Ethereum, can I show you something, guys? What do you see here? What do you see on Ethereum's? By the way, this is Ethereum's daily chart, okay? What do you see? And what did I say a few days ago? When Ethereum was here, what did I say? I told you that a few days ago, we saw this pattern, okay? Ethereum was here, okay? And I told you it's gonna create the right shoulder. So it is creating this right shoulder now. So this is a head and shoulders pattern. And if you put the neckline here, this would be the neckline, okay? And you can take the target and see where it is going. So once we see a breakout of this head and shoulders, guys, sky is the limit. You're gonna see a big pump in Ethereum. And you are going to see this head and shoulders pattern on each and every cryptocurrency. Go on Solana. What you see here on Solana? Don't you see the same pattern here? Same pattern, right? A breakout, boom, boom, boom. So get ready, guys, get ready, get excited. XRP doesn't have a clear head and shoulders pattern, but XRP is moving in this channel right now. You see this channel? This is the resistance, clear resistance. This is the support area, resistance. So XRP needs to break this. $3.18, 17 cents. Once you see XRP breaking this, then it's gonna shoot up. So this is the major resistance area for XRP, from $3.09 to $3.17. This is the major resistance area. But I believe with the overall altcoins rally, XRP is also going to break this and move up. Okay, someone was asking about Dogecoin. So this is your Dogecoin, not a perfect head and shoulders, but kind of a head and shoulders pattern, as you can see. So we will wait for a breakout here. Once we see a breakout, you're gonna see an upward move. Okay, so you go on any major altcoin, you're gonna see this. This is your Shiba Inu. I expect a nice upward move in Shiba Inu, guys. This is what I'm expecting anytime. Okay, and this is your Cardano Chainlink. Cardano ADA. So this is the level to watch. And once we see ADA breaking 88 cents level, then it's gonna spike up. Okay, this is your Chainlink, guys. Chainlink is moving in this bull flag, as I mentioned the other day. You see Chainlink has a clear upward trend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the moment you see a breakout, you can take a measurement tool and do this. This is the pole, this is the flag, and once we see a breakout, Chainlink can easily go to $32. Okay? It can easily go to $32. So that's a very nice flag, bull flag, and I think it's gonna break this bull flag soon. So that's the situation, guys. I need to focus on Bitcoin for right now because Bitcoin is moving up and I'm expecting a nice spike here. Okay, everyone is saying this. So every other day you see different narrative from these influencers. So you know what now what they're saying? Before they were saying this is the double top, this is the double top, and this is the lower high. Okay, bull run is over. Market is coming down. Now they're saying this is the double top. Okay, they're saying this is the double top. This is not the double top. This is the higher high. This candle is gonna keep moving up. Tomorrow's candle is gonna keep moving up. We're gonna see a spike here. Okay, you will see tonight. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my knowledge as per my limited experience in these markets and limited knowledge about these technical analysis. But I'm telling you, you're gonna see something like this. Okay. Someone is asking about Polkadot, so let me go and see Polkadot. This is your Polkadot. I think Polkadot is bullish, but we have to see a breakout of this level, 4.5. The moment it breaks 4.5, then it's gonna shoot up. Right now, it is kind of creating that similar pattern here. As you can see, a head and shoulders kind of pattern. This is the daily chart of Polkadot. Okay. This is creating the similar pattern, and we need a breakout of this pattern. And then we're gonna see an upward move. But I'm telling you guys, all these coins are getting ready for a big move. And if we go back on BTC dominance, as I showed you on the 4-hour chart, the trend is down, okay, and we have a rising wedge within this downward trend, and it is hitting the resistance area right now. It may go hit 60% level. That is fine, still good. And then we're gonna see, I'm expecting it to come down like this, okay, big time, a big downward move in BTC dominance. This is what I expect, guys. So let's see, let's hope for the best, and we'll see what's coming in next few days. Right now, keep an eye on BTC dominance, guys. Oh, sorry, BTC, Bitcoin. Expect an upward move here. Okay, let me check the volume, okay? Let me check the volume on BTC. So just 1 second. 1 sec, guys. BTC volume. So we need at least a $60 billion volume, 60 billion or above. So let's check this is the Let's check the volume. Oh, wow, BTC's volume is right now 73.6 billion, guys. 73.6 billion. So when you saw this move last night, guys, when you saw this upward move, the BTC volume was around 42 billion during this move. Since the volume was low, I was not excited about this move, but tonight I'm expecting a big volume to come in BTC. And so far we have, you see here, 73.67 billion, 24-hour volume, which is a good news, guys. I think BTC is gonna shoot up from here. So nice volume is increasing, and BTC is moving up. I think it's gonna move up from here. Okay. So far, guys, let me give you the snapshot of whatever we have discussed so far. Bitcoin is sitting at 123,500. Okay. It came up from 108,000 when the whole world was saying BTC is going to $91,000, right? And I told you, no, BTC will move up from here. And I think from here, we still have a lot of room for BTC to move up. I have some nice, juicy kind of profit targets on BTC. Again, if you are not in my Discord group, guys, this is the time to join my Discord group. You won't regret, I'm telling you. What you have to do, you go in my bio, there's a website, launchpass.com. Through that, you can join my Discord group. I can help you a lot. You can't even imagine. Anyways, so right now, BTC is making a move. So at some point, all these big investors are gonna take profit from BTC, okay? And what they're gonna do, not all of their profit, a part of their profit is gonna go in altcoins because they are watching BTC dominance. They know BTC dominance is retracing up and trying to hit 60% level. BTC will shoot up. BTC dominance will go up with BTC, while your altcoins will be holding all those nice levels. Once BTC goes to a specific level, big investors, big traders, big market makers are gonna take out some money from BTC. They're gonna put that money in altcoins, and your altcoins are gonna shoot up like crazy, and BTC dominance is gonna come down. That is what I expect. That is what I can visualize going to happen in next couple of days and weeks and months. So get ready for some real action in this market, guys. Okay. Again, not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Now, I'm not happy with 81K likes up there, guys. I request you, if you like what I'm sharing with you, if that makes sense, please show some support by tapping the screen. Give us more likes. With likes, we don't get any benefit other than our TikTok live gets prioritized. It goes on different people's, whoever is watching TikTok, it will show them that I am live so that more people can come and get benefited from our knowledge. So please keep tapping the screen. We should be sitting above 100K. So I'm gonna show you a long-term picture of this market about Bitcoin and altcoins. So get ready for that, okay? But I'm gonna wait till you guys give me 100K likes up there. And then I'm gonna take you on longer term analysis, and you guys are gonna love it. So again, I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin and especially your altcoins are almost ready for a nice move. Again, no financial advice. As per my analysis, I see a massive move coming in your altcoins, okay? But you should have quality altcoins. If you have brand new altcoins and meme coins and risky coins, they may not move the kind of move I'm expecting. But if you have utility coins, any coins which has some kind of utility, so those coins are gonna move like really sharply. So anyways, let's go back and let me show you something different now. We go on the weekly chart. So recently we have seen a rate cut, right? on September 17th, we saw Fed reducing interest rates. And this is when Fed reduced interest rates, guys. This is this. Here, when BTC was sitting at 115, that's the time when Fed reduced interest rates. And what did I tell you? I told you that after interest rate reduction, you're gonna see BTC moving up. But what happened? We saw a small pullback and everyone became bearish. Everyone was saying, oh, Bitcoin is going to $92,000. I told you after the rate cut, give it some time, let the market digest that news, and then you're gonna see this market moving up, okay? If you still don't trust me, if you don't still doubt on my narrative, go back in 2020. This is the time, remember, when we all have gone through that worst pandemic, COVID pandemic, everyone was locked down. That's the time when Fed reduced interest rates, and they brought interest rates near 0%, okay? And what happened after that? When they reduced interest rates, this is the month of March, okay? You saw no movement in the price of Bitcoin. You don't see a movement the same week they reduce interest rates, guys. It takes some time for market to digest that news. And then market started digesting that news, and then later Fed started quantitative easing. They started printing money. And what happened after that, guys? This is the time when Fed reduced interest rates. This is where they started quantitative easing. This is where they started buying treasury bonds, okay? And then this is the time when they started giving stimulus checks. So you saw this big major spike in the market, right? This is what I'm expecting. What you have seen so far is nothing, guys, okay? This is nothing. We have just started moving up. We have a lot of room to move up. Anyways, if you want to know long-term targets, guys, I'm telling you, you should consider coming and joining my Discord group. Now let's go and look at the total market cap, okay? I showed you this multiple times. This is when market topped in 2017, okay? This is 2017. This is 2017 top. This is 2021 top. Okay. So when market topped in 2017, total market cap was 772 billion. Okay, at the market top. Then at the market top of 2021, total market cap went up to 3 trillion, a 300% increase in market cap, 300% increase. And right now, market cap is sitting here. Let's take a measurement and see from 2021 market top till now, we have only 38% increase in the market cap. During this bull run, 2020-21 bull run, 300% increase in market cap. When there were no institutions buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, because there were no ETFs, no institutions buying Bitcoin. Now we have institutions, we have governments buying Bitcoin and other currencies. And do you think market will top only at 38%? It's gonna shoot up. I'm expecting at least $6 trillion total market cap when we see some kind of top of this market. So we have a lot of room. We are sitting at 4 trillion, 4.14 trillion. I'm expecting at least $6 trillion market cap. So we still have 1.75 trillion more to come in cryptocurrencies. So with $1.75 trillion, you can imagine what will happen to your altcoins, what will happen to Bitcoin. So again, this is the long-term narrative, guys. If someone is telling you this market has topped, altcoins will never move, they're giving you all BS, narratives and their thesis without any logic. Trust me. Thank you, Hakligal. Just show them these charts. Show them these analysis. Show them these calculations. Tell them, do you think during last two market tops, total market cap went up 300%, and right now when there were no institutions involved, when there were no governments involved, when every government, every regulatory body like SEC, they were against cryptos. They were filing cases against Ripple. They were filing cases against your Robinhood. So during that time, we saw $3 trillion market top. And right now, when we have supported regulations for crypto, we have supported US president for crypto, we have SEC who is supporting crypto, we have crypto ETFs which got approved, and already people and big companies are buying those ETFs. We have multiple ETFs coming in next couple of weeks. For example, DOTS ETF is coming. Your Ethereum ETF is already up and running. Solana ETF is coming. XRP's more ETFs are coming. Dogecoin's ETF is coming. Do you think with all that activity, this market will top with only 38% increase in total market cap compared to last market top? Just ask this question from those gurus who are saying this market has topped. This market has not topped yet, okay? Fed has not reduced interest rates substantially. They have just reduced 0.25% interest rates. And this month, and they're going to reduce another 0.25%. Then in December, they are going to reduce another 0.25%. And we all know that Trump wants these interest rates to come down big time. And next year in June, your Fed chairman is retiring, and Trump will be bringing his own Fed chairman, and they are going to reduce these interest rates, guys. This is the time to stay in this industry, in this crypto technology, guys. This is the time to be patient, okay? Don't act like small kids that I want this candy now, I want this lollipop now, whoever is acting that, oh my God, my altcoins are not moving, my meme coins are not moving, this and that, they are acting like those toddlers. Those cranky toddlers? You take them to a store and they lay down on the floor, start kicking and crying that I want it now, I want this candy now. They act like that. So try to understand this is not a child's play, okay? This is not a child's play. You need to understand, you need to have some kind of knowledge about economics, macro and microeconomics. You need to have knowledge about physical policy. You need to understand what impact these rate cuts will bring to this industry. You need to understand that our GDP is sitting at 3.7%. You need 2 negative quarterly GDPs when your economy goes in recession. We are not near a recession. Our last GDP was 3.7%, okay? At least we are good with next 6 months. Those next 2 GDP numbers will come in next 6 months. Then we will see if we are near a recession or not. Right now, we are not. I personally believe most analysts, most gurus are underestimating the move which is coming. We may see something beyond our imaginations based on these indicators I told you. I'm telling you, we are so early in this market. We may see some massive kind of moves in this market. But who will win? Who will get benefit from those moves? Only who have some kind of patience, who understand these markets. Okay? This is not a child's play. This is not a lollipop. This is not a candy. This is not a chocolate or ice cream that you need it now. You want your Dogecoin to go to $1 now. it's not a lollipop. Okay, just wait for the opportunity. You're gonna see this market shooting up like anything. The total market cap is sitting at $4 trillion. You know, the gold's total market cap is sitting at $23 trillion right now. Only one metal, gold, its market cap is sitting at $23 trillion. And Bitcoin is digital gold. Its market cap is sitting at $2 trillion. Only BTCs. There's a lot of room left in this technology, guys. Blockchain technology is the future. Okay, please invest wisely, and don't invest thinking like a gambler. This is not gambling. This is serious business investing. So let's go back and see what's going on in the market, guys. Back to Bitcoin, guys. It's pulling back a little bit, but that's fine. It's gonna move up. You're gonna see it moving up from here. So that's the narrative, guys, I wanted to share with you. I just wanted to clear your doubts, your whatever negativity you have in your mind, whatever negativity all these influencers are putting in your mind. They are confusing you. One day they are bullish, next day they are bearish, third day they are again bullish, fourth day they are again bearish. Just go watch their videos and open their videos and see how funny they look when they change their narrative. Every day, every other day they come up with some different narrative. So try to understand this market. Trust me, if you understand these markets, if you understand these macro indicators, you don't need anyone to help you. You can figure out everything on your own. You don't need anyone. You don't even need to join my Discord group. You just try to understand these macro indicators. Okay, everything is available on ChatGPT and Google. Just go do some research before you invest in any coin. So as I said, guys, we are gonna see an upward move here. Okay, that's what I'm expecting here in Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, by the way. That was BTC total market cap. So this is what I'm expecting with a lot of volume. So right now, let's check the volume again. Previously, it is increasing. It was 72.4. Now it is $73.8 billion. $73.8 billion total volume on Bitcoin, guys. This is showing some really encouraging signs. We may see a nice move tonight, guys. We may see a nice move towards the upside. Almost $74 billion. Good volume. I'm expecting an upward move here, guys. And stay with me. You will experience that upward move with me. Okay? Who will come live and tell you that there will be an upward move and sit with you and show you live that there will be an upward move? You will experience that. Anyways, thoughts on reactive network? I have no knowledge about that. I have no knowledge about that. So I just wanted to give you the overall narrative, guys. I don't like to, trade short term. I don't like to do leverage trading. I only do spot trading. I don't use any kind of leverage. Leverage will always cause you. Look at this, guys. What did I say just now? Keep watching. Keep watching. This is the magic of my analysis. Okay. So again, guys, don't use leverage. Use zero leverage. Buy good coins. Buy coins with good utility, and you will be good. Okay. Believe in the technology. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Believe in the technology. Okay. So guys, I honestly don't have anything else to share. But if I see my Discord members, if I see a big move here, guys, as I explained in our Zoom call, then I might hop on to another Zoom call and we will just analyze the market, because I expect a big move here. Okay, I'm expecting a big move tonight with a big volume. So let's check the volume again. Okay, it came down a little bit, but still any volume above 60 billion is a very bullish volume for Bitcoin, guys. If you see 60 billion or above, we are at 73 billion right now. This is a good volume. Look at BTC, guys. What did I say? An upward move. Let's keep watching, guys. Let's see how high it goes. Thank you, Hack Legal. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. Okay, guys, I'm taking a break for a little bit just to watch the Bitcoin's price action. As I told you, I expect an upward move tonight, and that is exactly what's happening. We did a Zoom call with my Discord members, and Bitcoin was sitting here when I did that Zoom call, and I told them that I told them the specific time as well. I told them at 8 p.m. EST onwards, we're gonna see an upward move. That is exactly what's happening right now. So yeah, it's looking good. Let's see tonight if Bitcoin push towards the upside. I see a new all-time high coming soon. Okay, guys. So now weekly candle has already closed, and we have a big bullish weekly candle. Let me show you the weekly candle as well. Okay, you see this weekly candle just closed. It closed above the last resistance. We had multiple weekly candles coming here and closing below this level. Let me change the color. Multiple candles coming and closing below this level, and this candle broke this level. Okay, very bullish sign. So yeah, everything is looking good, guys. Everything is looking good, and your altcoins are also moving up. By the way, your Ethereum is also moving up. So I want Ethereum to break this red line, and then it's gonna shoot up, guys. Joy, thank you so much. Your Ethereum is moving up, even though your BTC dominance is going up. But good thing is, with Bitcoin, your altcoins are also moving up. Okay, everything is moving up right now. This is your Bitcoin shooting up as projected in front of your eyes, guys. You can see what I told you. Bitcoin was here when I started my TikTok live. Okay, and I told you I expect an upward move. Guys, I don't see many likes up there. That's not nice. Please keep tapping the screen, guys. Please keep tapping the screen. Okay. Hi, guys. Hello, hello. Hey, Samir, how are you? Thank you. Let's check the volume on Bitcoin, guys, because it is very important for Bitcoin to keep this volume. Still 73.47. Volume is increasing, guys. Volume is also increasing, which is a good news. 73.47 billion. Any volume above 60 billion is bullish for Bitcoin. Nice. So far, so good. We'll keep watching the market, guys. Again, I might take your leave after 5-10 minutes, but Discord members, I'll keep watching the market. If we see a big pump overnight, I will come live on, we'll do a Zoom call tonight if I see a big pump. The good thing is BTC is moving up with the big volume. Total volume is looking super duper good. 74 billion dollar volume is a very big volume for Bitcoin. I'm waiting for it to go above 100 billion. Then it's gonna shoot up like crazy. No problem, Rick, how are you doing? Let's check the volume one more time. 73.75. Volume is increasing, guys. 73.75 billion. That's a good volume. Let's check BTC dominance. Your Ethereum. Your Solana. Let's wait for it to break this level, okay? Let me put a line here. So 124,757. That's the level to watch. Let me delete these levels because they already hit 124,000 and 120,000. So now let's wait for BTC to break this level. Hassan, thank you so much. 124,776. Hopefully it will break soon. Nice, guys. Everything is looking good so far. So my projection is, guys, that it's gonna break this level. It's gonna move up, come back, retest this level, and then it's gonna continue. So let's keep watching the market and see if we see this kind of price action or not. Thoughts on XRP, Kelly? I don't see XRP going above $4. I think during this bull run, maximum level XRP can go to is $4, because XRP has already moved a lot. Alts will be moving up, guys. Now, as I explained earlier, there are some levels up there, some long-term levels. Hane, how are you? Thank you. Once BTC hit those levels, big investors are gonna take some profit out of BTC, and they're gonna move that profit into altcoins. And that's the time when your altcoins are gonna shoot up. That time is coming soon, guys. As per my analysis, that time is coming soon. We're gonna see a big move in Bitcoin first, and then take profit in Bitcoin, and then that money is gonna go in altcoins. So let's keep watching the market and see where BTC is going. I'm gonna watch it for at least 15-20 minutes and see if we see a big spike here or not. Because China's market is just opened, Asian markets are just opened, Australia and New Zealand has just opened. So let's see what they are gonna do with Bitcoin. But I believe overnight we're gonna see a spike. If not now, when European markets will open, we're gonna see a spike. Thank you, Hassan. October. It's up Uptober, guys, Uptober. LTC is gonna move up. LTC is a good coin, guys. Don't worry about LTC. ADA is getting ready for a big move, guys. ADA is getting ready for a big move. The big news is, guys, that the weekly candle has just closed, and the weekly candle has closed here at 123,491, and you can see last multiple. This is the highest weekly close. Okay, this is the highest weekly close. We saw multiple weekly candles at this level. They never closed this level. So this was a major resistance, 119,500. It never closed a candle above this level, and this is the first candle closed above it. And now we're gonna see a continuation from here. And by the way, guys, who remembers this? Do you remember these? In September, I put these predictions. Who remembers that? If you are my regular TikTok viewers, remember on 30th of September, I put these three projected candles. You know, I drew these. I told you October will be bullish, November will be bullish, and then December will be bullish. And look at this, how beautifully this candle is following these three projections. I was expecting this move to be finished by end of this month, but look, in 5 days of October, we saw this candle going here. It may keep moving up like this. Remember these three candles, guys? Anyways, let's go back and see. Bitcoin pulled back a little bit, but that's fine. No problem, no hurry. I think next 3 to 4 days are highly bullish, guys. In next 3 to 4 days, we're gonna see a big spike, a momentum in BTC. I think tonight, even though it is pulling back now a little bit, but tonight I'm expecting a big move towards the upside. It's not crashing. It is not gonna crash. It's not gonna crash, guys. Not from here. It has more room to move up. And now Bitcoin is not gonna crash. Bitcoin is gonna make small retracements. So in any bull run, you see small pullback, continuation, small pullback, continuation, small pullback, continuation. There's a big rejection. Where do you see big rejection? What about the BTC dominance? BTC dominance is going to come down once BTC hits some specific levels where most traders are going to take some profit out of BTC. Then they're going to move those funds into altcoins. That's the time when BTC dominance is going to come down. Thoughts on Dogecoin? I'm highly bullish on Dogecoin. I'm highly bullish on Dogecoin. Okay, so we are gonna see a breakout of this level, hopefully tonight, guys. I see BTC breaking this level tonight. So let's see. Queen of TikTok, you can learn by joining my Discord group. If you want to learn, that's the best place to learn. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So again, guys, if you